kids these days. To be honest, I should be paying attention instead. More initiative cars. Oh wow. Alright, so he never answered, which sucks. Okay. So basically, I was trying to get a race suit. I was like, yes. But I told him, like, hey, after, like, this time, after Pacific time, I'll be there. It's like, yeah, man, perfect. And then, you know, when I'm here, you know, he never showed up, or he never answered, and I was like, okay, so guess not then. Oh well. Well, that sucks. Make it. Alright, I made it. Nope, fuck the old bitches, I made it. I hate Pan Express. That got me sick. Like literally, I wasn't a Pan Express. I was like, I used to like it when I was a kid, but now I hate it. I really do hate it. Last time, oh my god, I had a stomach flu. That. I ate the sauce. The food was okay, but then I ate the sauce. Something is not right about the sauce. I'm not sure it was the sauce I got or all of them. It was just like chili, but thick. It was all thick, and I was like, what the hell? It smelled kind of funny. I was like, well, that's the Mexican chili. It's not funny, but it tastes really good. So I was like, okay, might not be bad. Nope. Minus the business. Oh hell no! Get that shit out of there. I was like. So yeah, that will happen. Okay. $2,000. Not doing. Do we just go? Can we just go? Oh, I hate it when it does this, like when it's kind of curved. It's not like straight. It's kind of hard to tell like where is where, which is where. I'm assuming over there. Not over there. Over there. Hopefully it's where I need to go. Great. There's no traffic. Besides that car, there's no traffic. Really. Really. Oh my god. Really gonna turn off in 20 that long? Who takes that long to walk across? Oh wait, oh it's kind of a big sidewalk or walkway actually. I didn't realize that somehow. But still, 25 seconds? God damn. Yes. God damn it! I ran the wrong way. Ah! Oh, now the guy texts me. Great! Great! Now he texted me. Oh, wait, it's not the freeway.
my god, what the hell is that thing? Ah! What is this? Hey, it's Kawasaki. What is that? I can't tell. Is that? Are they wearing a hat? What? I'll be like, who's this? Who this? It looks like, I couldn't tell for sure, but it definitely looks like they're wearing a hat on a helmet. Like, no. They have the hat on and they have a helmet on at the same time. I'm just like, what the hell? Oh, let's go. You can do it. No high though. Yeah. Oh well. Sister, why do you people leave your receipt here? How much you pay for gas? Sir, I can get your number. Can I? Kinda, not really. $41. Shit, I missed. Get a bike. Get a bike. That's all I'm gonna tell you. Get a bike. Okay, so what you want to do? Get the nozzle. Put 87. That's kidding. Put 89. There we go. But for 91 octane, it's like $3.04 for a gallon. Look how much I pay on this performance motorcycle that it can go so fast, over 150 miles an hour. Watch, almost $12. That's quite expensive. I think it's expensive, but this is a this is a good type of gas, so it's all worth it. Okay, well, let's go. Nice R6. And can I? Do you actually just scoot up? He's like, oh, let me scoot up more. I'm just like, really? You're literally up right my ass. Literally, you decided to scoot up even closer. I was just like, why? Why? Just why? People these days, I don't understand them.